Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Watermelon Guy from Stumble Guys. I hope you can join me and have some fun. Now he's a pretty tricky character, so I'm going to start with a curve shape there for the side of the watermelon. And then I'm going to start with a bit of a line through here, which is a guideline. Now about halfway from the top to the bottom is where we're going to start his glasses. So I'm going to put his glasses in here. And they come like this. Now the reason I've got that guideline there is to help where the center of this is. So it's got like this part here, and then that curves down to the bottom of the watermelon. So that's like the top ridge of it. And then he's got obviously got this, the green and the white bit in this part. And between here and the top, it sort of comes in like this, like that, 1, 2, and then it goes to the top of the watermelon. So it's sort of like this sort of shape, one, and then bring them across. This comes in. It's like someone's taken a bite out of it. And these curves are quite tricky. Then you ever so slightly see the side of this part here. That's why I've sort of drawn this on. Then the glasses come into there and here like this. So that's looking proportionally correct. Yep, I'm pretty happy with this now. There's so many subtle curves in this that makes it so tricky. But I think I've got that. Then the arm is going to come off like that. This is where the one hand's going to be. Other hand's going to be over here with an arm. A foot coming pretty much straight down, looking straight at it, because he's looking this way. This one's a bit more side on. What a cool character. Now I'm going to just do some detail on the glasses because this is quite tricky. So up here he's got four of these like slatted glasses, slots or whatever you want to call them. And they get narrower as they come down to sort of form the shape of, follow the shape of the glasses. There we are. Alright, that's what I'm going to start with. I've got my 0.3, so I'm going to start with them because if I need to make my glasses slightly bigger, I can do that. 1, 2, could even go a thinner pen if I wanted to, but for this I'll just show 0.3. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then his glasses come sort of like this. Bring them around, I'm going to bring that up, bring that down, give it a bit of a space there. Yep, straight across here. And then we've got the edge of the glasses coming in there, and we've got this edge of the glasses coming back on an angle like this. And you see a little bit of that side there. Alright, next bit I'm going to draw this part here. So this is like that curve. Another curve. Curve it up and then curve that up into there. This one here is a curve. Another curve down there. Curve. Curve that way. Pretty tricky. And then curve that. Then this curves sort of like this way to the bottom. Now we've got this side bit that comes out and around. And when we colour that in, it's going to work much better. Then we've got the leg that sort of, because it's black, it doesn't really, if I drew that line, it's okay because that's going to go over it with black. This is the shoe, the sole of the shoe, and couple of lines there like so. This here is the bottom coming up, and again if I keep going with that, the arm's going to be in there. I'm just going to make this leg slightly bigger like that. Now this shoe's more side on, so it comes around like that, and then this comes around. Then we have the sole. Now let's draw this arm on. It's got these glove hands. There's one hand. Thumb. Glove hand like that. And then bring the arm in. So the arm, you sort of still see that side a bit. It's up to you if you want to colour them black now or later on. I'm going to do mine later on. Bring that around to there. Bring this curved line up and around. This line up and around there. Now there's another line here. Just going to finish this off. Comes up into a point there. Now let's put some seeds on. Black seeds. I prefer seedless watermelon, but watermelon is yummy. Okay, there's a few seeds on this side, but because it's so thin, then they're only going to be like little specks. You only sort of see a little bit of that side. You can be a bit more sort of sporadic where you put your seeds. You could use a thicker pen if you wanted to. I'll leave that up to you. But the seeds do look good. One underneath there. I'm going to go round in with a 0.5 to emphasize him a bit more.